Welcome back again to my channel. Today, we have some assorted pastry. Now we have the macaroons, and this is basically a Christmas slash macaroon. So you just basically dip it in chocolate, flip it over on the acetate, sorry, and then it's basically take that print from the acetate. So this is a quick tutorial how to decorate your macaroons, and that's how you get it done. And so you have the vanilla cupcake. The vanilla cupcake doesn't have to be so perfect on the top, because you're always gonna put a buttercream on top, and this is my vanilla buttercream. If you ever would like the recipe for this banana for this vanilla cupcake, I'm more than happy to share that. And now, also, if you look on top, you saw they have the caramel cheesecake. Decorate with some nice Christmas decoration with some nice corners birds, and that's how you get it done. And also, we have the triple fudge chocolate cupcakes. And if you watch my next video, there's a tutorial how to make this um, sorry, the frosting, which is chocolate ganache, and that's how you get it done. And also, these are nice Christmas decoration. It's very festive. Who and those who interested in Christmas. There's different types and different ways. And also, I have the recipe for the caramel cheesecake, and it's easy. And also, the caramel cheesecake is just a whipped cream with caramel, folding to the cheesecake, in the basically whipped cream, and that's how you get it done. And crust on the bottom. So a lot of different ways of how to decorate your cupcakes and cheesecake, and etc. This recipe is try to help out other people out there and show them tips how to do different types of dessert, and it's very easy. It's not complicated at all, but I'm here to help anyone. If anyone have any problem, they can holler at me. I would more than happy to help them out. So this is basically again the caramel that I make from scratch. you know um this is a easy simple step, and this is like a VVIP plated that I doing for I think it's like 100 and people. And it's the same caramel sauce, and it's a very good sauce. And I also make some pumpkin tarts. And there's different way how to decorate your pumpkin tarts, and this is where I'm here to help any new beginners or anyone interested. And this is the whip, and this is how you get it done, with a nice tip. You just pipe it sideways and get the thing done. And this is the way of how to decorate it. I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you think this channel was very helpful, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.